episode of An Ordinary Review with PJ. If you like crime drama series, then I have a good one for you today. This is a series on Apple TV Plus. It's called Truth Be Told. It stars Octavia Spencer as a true crime podcaster on the series. You will remember her from the movie Hidden Figures. She was one of the 3 black ladies who did pioneering work at NASA when they were attempting the first manned space flight. She's supported by Aaron Paul. He was in the movie Need for Speed, and supported by Lizzie Kaplan. She's acted in many good series like Masters of Sex and Castle Rock and amongst others. So, fine actress. So in this series, Octavia Spencer is actually a podcaster. She has podcasted on a crime that has happened in a town. A famous author in the town has been murdered. And the needle of suspicion of that crime has fallen on a young boy who lives in the neighborhood. He is the friend of one of the daughters of the author. He was supposedly seen leaving their house late in the night. So the night the murder happened, so there's a needle of suspicion on him. The boy's father is a cop, and he believes that his son is capable of committing a murder, which also incriminates the boy. And Octavia Spencer, as she has podcasted about the crime, also in some ways lead to the jury to convict the boy of the murder. He's a young boy. He's not an adult when the crime happened, so he's juvenile but tried as an adult, and he's been sentenced for life. Many years pass on, and all of a sudden a new evidence emerges on the same crime, which throws new light on the entire case itself and makes her think that perhaps what happened and what she podcasted about earlier may not be the entire truth. There is more to it than what meets the eye. So she actually re-engages herself on the case. She is now curious to find out what really happened, perhaps what she did podcast about earlier, whether that was the truth or there is more to it. She also starts believing that perhaps her actions kind of may have led an innocent boy to be convicted of the crime, and that makes her guilty, and that guilt conscious kind of spurs her on to dig deeper into the case. So she starts investigating into the author's family, his wife, his children. She starts investigating into the boy's family, his dad. And a lot of developments happen along the way. She's able to uncover a lot of truth. A lot of suspense gets revealed as to what really happened. And of course, the story slowly moves on till the actual incident on what really happened that night is revealed in the last episode. So it's a well-crafted, good drama with tight suspense that gets revealed only towards the end of it. It's like an onion. It peels off layer after layer in terms of what happened in the case. So new clues emerge. The suspense is slowly revealed. But what really happened that night is actually something that you get to see in the last episode. So if you like good crime drama series, you like to see a series that unfolds slowly. It's like reading a good crime novel where the suspense gets slowly revealed. Then I think this is a good series to watch. It's available on Apple TV Plus, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. It's a slow watch, so it will take your time to watch it. It's not something that you will be able to watch it in one shot, but definitely worthy a watch. So happy watching. I look forward to bringing more reviews to you of something that I feel you would enjoy seeing. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for sharing your feedback, and happy watching. Till next time, bye-bye.